During the last 100 years, Bay East has come a long way.
We created opportunities to help you, our members, succeed as real estate professionals.
We set the standard for leadership in the profession.
Bay East Services and Technology have been on the cutting edge of innovation.
Promoting professionalism is at the core of our culture.
Our commitment to service extends beyond our members and into our communities.
Along the way, we adapted to new challenges and opportunities by providing member services, classes, committee meetings, town halls, and special events in person and virtually.
Join us as we celebrate our accomplishments and we honor our past and current leadership during our 100-year Anniversary Gala, April the 14th, 2022.